people. I tried to roast people. Yeah, do you see that, Anika? Your mama saw that when Abby bit her, the bigot diabetes. Yeah, I tried to. Yeah, that got me. And when I tried to roast someone, that literally banned me. I didn't even said that to him yet. Like, what though? Okay, anyways, let's go. Let's go think. Yeah, let's go just do the same thing. Your mom was so fat. So, when AB, that's quite good. When the B bit her, the B got diabetes. The B got diabetes. And let's go use the same emoji. Okay, yeah, let's go to see. Anyways, let's go clean up roasting. Slay. Okay, I didn't know that this is the one that I use. High school leather dance party. There's a dance party at this high school. Pupunta ako na lang dun. Let's go pretend to be a student. Bakit may ano? Bakit? May mga ilaw kasi syempre may transport. Punta nga lang sa taas. Kanto. Ihanap muna tayo ng mga tao. Baka yung bus, susunduin muna sila. Oo. Yan. High school leather dance party. There's a dance party at high school. The dance party at high school. There is a dance party at high school. Dance party at high school. If you want to have a party, go to high school. O hindi sige. Hi, wait. Sabi ito. Pupunta ako. Yeah, we'll just go. Hindi ako pupunta ng wait, kaka-set up lang ito nila. Or baka sa iba yun magkakaano. Yeah, let's go steal her motor. So, bye-bye, rat. Sorry for the steal. I'm gonna put her motor. Anuhin ko tong motor sa... Yeah, prankster. Let me out of here now. Grabe to. Ah! Yeah, I wonder if she's looking it for right now. Like, sorry. Yeah, let's go just shoot it there. Sheesh. This is so fun, rushing with people. Okay, baka ngayon ay mag-start. Let's go. Dito na ako dadaan. Uy, wala naman eh. Ano pinagsasabi nyo? Wala naman. Grabe naman. Okay, yeah, baka ganito. Ah! Sino yun? stop it. Why does he keep changing? I did go to school, but there's... Oh my God, wala tayong makitang tao nag-roast. Na-roast ko na siya kanina, pero ayun. Pero na-roast. Let's go just knock on people's doors. Let's go crazy. Pero baka iba nila ako. Wait lang. Oh my God! Your mama's so fat. Wanna be bitter? To be got diabetes. Eh. Like you. Thank you. This is dessert. Dessert. Takbo. Huli yun nila ako. Deserve. Hello, welcome back to my channel and to Bully Noobs. Hey, wait, that's no, not Bully Noob. Not Bully, wait lang. Well, let's go hide my identity. Kasi sabi daw niya magkano daw siya. Lightning McQueen. Let's go just... If you wanna bully noobs, you gotta bully me. I'm queen of roasting, so yeah. What the fuck? You look ugly. What the hell? Nasaan na ba siya? Ew. Bro! Wait. Where is she? She ain't bullying noobs. She need to bully me first. So I can roast her. I wanna roast so bad. I hate they came here so much. They are beggars. Who is Tyra? Sino ba to? Okay, she's gonna... I think she's going to bring me to Tyra. What the hell is happening? That's not good. Always alone. Buti na nga lang, always alone. Where's that ugly girl right there? Okay, yeah, she's coming. Yeah, she's gonna buy me here. She's gonna buy me. No. She's gonna kidnap me, I think. Oh, hell no. This one? Let's go fit on your Gen Z. Girl. Come on. Oh my God, where is this Dayatira? Black gown. Where's that? What? Siya yun. Yeah, wait. Tell me. Oh my god, I have got bad 2 times in 2 houses. Ito. Your mama's so ugly. Your mama's so ugly. That she gave birth to her twin. Her twin baby. Your mama's so ugly that she gave birth to a twin. You're dumb like your parents. Girl, who lied to you? Girl, who lied to you? Like you wish. Like you wish. I wish. You're the master parents. That you were beautiful. There's that you were beautiful. Guys, if you find their channel, subscribe and roast them too. You just describe your life. Describe. Describe your life. You just described your life. Yeah, I always come out with mean things. I heard them from my... Let's go look at her. Because I know. please.
Dapat hindi magkasalubong sila. Tapat-tapat pares tong green. Nasa taas. Ay, ako. Parang medyo delikado dyan, ah.
But I still
Tama na. Isa pa.
Hi! Ay, ate, ano nangyari kay Mara? Ano nangyari kay Mara?
Nagkukunyari lang. Hindi ako makatayo.
Sa may ilaw, be. How's the... How's the grades? What can you say?
Basa.
Good or bad? Asan?
Please ilabas.
Gupino. Bukas, walang pasok si Mami. Asan ang ano mo, kinang mong card? Tsaka pictures mo.
Sure ako, red.
Hindi naman sinend sa akin. Siguro mababa yung grade
Mas
mo.
tapos ng red.
Masaan?
May
ba yun?
masakit na sa ulo. Hindi ko na maintindihan.
Kinuha din namin pictures.
Ha?
Kinuha din namin pictures.
Wow! Bakit nakapikit ka?
Nakaganda ako.
Oh, ito.
Uy, Mara! Dito ka din!
Tapos sa banya ko ulit.
Ang ganda mo. Ay, ito maganda to. Uy, ang ganda din ni Tete. Uy! Mara, dito tayo. Pambili tayo dito.
Oh my God.
Ano sabi siya ni teacher? Kanin. Mara, ano nangyari kay nanay at kay tatay? Nakita mo si teacher Cherry? Ano sabi natin Joanne? Nag-hi. O tapos? Ano sabi? Wala ka nang, hindi ka na makakatakas? Sabi, oh. Wala ka nang takas. Wala, ang baba. Ay! Tinan mo bumaba yung rate. Ano ba? 94. Ano ba yung dati mo?
Dressed like this to find you.
Oh, 590. Ah, pero tumaas ka naman ah. Ah, bumaba ka sa mother tongue. 95 minus 1. Filipino tumaas. English same. Uy, mathematics tumaas. AP tumaas. Umapit, tumaas naman yung mga grades mo ah.
Malapit sa labas, hindi pa naman sobrang gabi.
O, bakit 94 ka lang? Ilan ang absent mo? Six ka na ba? 6 ka ba? Pero 7 ka na? Eh, bakit dito 6? Ano? Oh.
Ha? Bakit 6? 7 ako.
Kailan ka ba nag-7?
So, tapos
17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Ah, 7 lang. Pero dapat 7 na yun ah. Oh.
Mami, nagre-video ako. Tapos, nag-roast kami. Now there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say. They would never true all the words you play. You would always win. And I set fire to rain. Watch you pour as I touch you dry in your dreams.
Kaya ano kasi nag-work naman ako. Ay! Hindi naman pwedeng hindi ako mag-work. Wala tayong money. Oh. Ha?
Wait, this is my AirPod.
Anong sabi ni Daddy? Bumili daw kayo ng food kanina ng money yung ginamit.
Sa akin.
First
Bumili ako. 70. Mami, ano ba? Sabi ni natin, titirahan namin yung kinandawi ko. Malaking C2. Pero inubos si Dad. Tapos hindi na ito.
Third quarter. Ah, 95 ka. Second quarter, third quarter. ayos naman yung grade mo.
Okay guys, that's for today's video of roasting.